In this video, let us discuss some more tips which can be useful when testing REST APIs. The first one is trying different request methods. For instance, let's assume that you are testing an endpoint like this, which is giving the profile picture of user 123. Let's also assume that this particular site allows any user to view any user's profile picture. For example, if I change this user 123 to user 124, I will be able to see user 124's profile picture. And let's also assume that you are not allowed to delete the pictures of other users. That's the expected functionality of this particular endpoint. In these cases, you can try changing this get method to delete and see if you are able to delete the profile pictures of other users by using the same endpoint. In some cases, this can work, and if it works, you're in luck. And the next tip, if you are testing an endpoint which is receiving JSON data from the client, try to intercept the request, change the content type from application/JSON to application/XML, and then try to change the JSON body to its XML equivalent. And this XML data has to be passed along with an external entity. And if this entity is passed by the XML parser on the server, you're lucky. This tip will be useful if the API endpoint is designed to parse both JSON and XML, but your client is only making use of JSON instead of XML. So you can change JSON data to XML, and you can force the API to parse your XML data instead of JSON. In addition to all the vulnerabilities and exploitation techniques that we have discussed so far, OWASP has released API Security Project, which contains some great content about API security. It is highly recommended that you go through this link and explore the contents of API Security Project from OWASP as well. Going through this OWASP documentation can give you some more ideas that are not discussed in this course.